Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add Halloween fonts to your Instagram stories. So this is a new update on Instagram where you can add Halloween theme of font to your Instagram stories, and if you want to have that font, you need to make sure that the Instagram's apps on your phone is already on the latest version, so you can check it on the Google Play Store or App Store. Then here just find Instagram and see if it's already on the latest version. So as you guys can see here, I've already on the newest version on Instagram, so I can easily have that Halloween theme font. So what you need to do here is just click on this plus icon to open the Instagram story camera. So after it's open, you can now just take a photo or choose the photo that you want to upload. For example, I'm going to use this Halloween decoration photo, and now I'm going to go to tags. Just click on tags in here, and as you guys can see, this is the Halloween font. So you can just write the Halloween, for example, I'm going to create this Halloween party invitation, for example. Okay, you can adjust the size, and then here you can also change the color. For example, I'm going to use the orange color or red color like this. You can also add a fax if you want to. This gem, okay, I'm going to use this gem. You can just adjust it like this. You can click on done and adjust the position. So this will be the result, Halloween party invitation. So if you want to create that spooky Instagram story, you can use this Halloween font on your Instagram. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. So make sure you have the newest version on Instagram to have this spooky Halloween font on your Instagram story. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.